Baby Jane,
Die boeg maak moeg.
die boeg sê hulle gaan vir ons maak moeg today. So today we are being treated by the ex-mayor of Luderitz and his team and just lekker boegters. Because that's what people in the boeg in Luderitz is called. They call themselves boegters. So today
Die boegter maak
they're gonna show us some hospitality, but we'll share it with all of you. So first stop is the oyster farm, private tour of the Luderitz oyster farm.
En dan die Orixe.
Then
On
Oryx,
the beach.
and then something Klim and Clouter and. But we'll show you everything we do today. Start this Luderitz boeg choppers, baby. Let's fly. Right, so baby Jane, once you see these drums, check. These drums in the ocean. That means one thing in Luderitz. That means oyster farming. So up ahead here is the oyster factory. So now we're gonna have a private tour. Although they're not operating today, they're gonna give us a lekker tour and a talk about how they farm these johnnies in Luderitz. This is the most knowledge when it comes to crayfish, white mussels, oysters, hierdie oompie, Gert,
Jy
het ek vergeet.
jy die oesters vergeet.
En die oysters, Get us to move 1,500, 1.5 million oysters. You gotta know your shit. Gert, baie dankie. This was so knowledgeable, En ek dink almal van ons hier, die whole Trans-Africa tour, I think you leave here a lot wiser. Huh?
Ek is bly om dit te hoor.
A lot wiser. I think a lot of education was done
Ek is
today.
bly om dit te hoor.
En
maar
ons wil sê baie dankie.
Ek het seker maar nou laaste toer gedoen van nou is julle met Kirsten.
Nee. If I come to Luderitz, I'll ask by name. I'll say, Phil, organise Gert asseblief. Gert, baie dankie.
Nee, is 'n
Baie
groot
baie
plesier.
dankie. Sê arrivari Gert.
Arrivare.
So today, Gert told us all about oyster farming. From the seedlings, as it's called. Let me see if I can get one here. There's one. This is how small these johnnies are, Like 1 millimeter. It grows into this, and then it gets taken out, put in medium like that, and grown, and then take out and put in medium like that. But this is more interesting. And then it gets put out in these drums. So lekker and so special that Gert himself, years and years of knowledge, shared his knowledge with us and the group about oyster farming, crayfish, white mussels. There's so many things that normal people will never know, and we were privileged enough to hear it from the horse's mouth. So yeah, this boegt maakt moegt tour is just getting started and it's getting interesting. So start the choppers. Let's go to the next adventure the boegters has to show us. Arrivari. Just check this out. Oryx, Gemsbokke, everywhere you look. And this is just outside of Luderitz. Just a lot of oryx. Let's see if I can zoom a little bit more. Kyk hierso. Kyk hoe baie gemsbokke.
Baie mooi.
Moer. Just check how green it is. Nee, as ek dit nie gesien het nie, I wouldn't have believed it. En ek wil hom net wys, die boeg het die mooiste girls in die hele Namibië. Yesie boys, So if you're Namibian and single, these are taken, unfortunately, But I'm sure they are hiding more of these somewhere in the boeg. Is mos, Bliksem, Maliki, if you leave me one day, I'm gonna go look for a wife in boeg, ek sê jou. In the boeg.
Hulle gaan vir jou maak moeg.
Ons hou die ketting kort want ons weet julle kom soek ons vir
Luister hier, is dit nou de boeg girls maak moeg?
hulle maak nie vir ons moeg.
Ja,
Ons gee nie aan vrou terug nie.
Nee, heeltyd speeltyd. De boeg maak fort moeg.
William.
Baby, de boeg maak fort moeg. Ons pomp net gou 'n bietjie die Ford se wielietjies. Arrivari! Okay, this is, I don't want to brag who's poep, kakpraat of skinner, nee. But the only ones that made it is that Vet 6, Hilux, the Mahindra Johnny en Gala, nee. Baby, waar is die ander? Okay, hier kom ene. Maar kom ons kyk of hy eers tot hier kan kom. Okay, nee, hier kom hy. Daar sit hy. Sit hy, nee, ek het te gou gepraat. Sit hy. Nee, hy sit. Nee, hy sit. So, lekker man. Ek dink ons moet lank begin oesters eet. Hulle kan kry wat oor is. En dan in die boeg kom kry ons hierdie mooi girls. En as ek hier verby ry, all I hear is Arrivari. So, kyk net hoe lekker word hier gekuier in die boeg. Man. Huh? Now this is going local big time. Sê bietjie daar Arrivari. Let's take a picture. Nou die boegters are gonna make us a special traditional Namibian dish. It's called a rou hak bretchen. Those that know, they will know. Maar checkie agter my. How is this for a Loudrits picnic point, nee? It comes with braai area, tables en hierdie moerse view. Nee, ek sien 'n deel van Loudrits nou that I never knew existed. Phil, dankie my broer. Baie dankie.
Julle dankie.
Nee, jy wys vir ons die mooiste mooi. Ek het nie geweet Loudrits is so mooi nie.
Die ander lekker kom nou.
Nee, en hoor wat hy sê, the other lekker is coming. Maar kom ons gaan check hierdie rou hak bretchen fabriek. Nou, hierdie is so eg Namibies, nee. Rou hak en hierdie mooi girl, man. Ja, mooi vir my jong. Sy gaan nou vir ons, ek gaan vir julle nou wys, nee. Maar I'm not sure everybody is gonna eat it, but I'll eat 5. Rou hak bretchen. So listen, jy het ook maar daai Toyota net gewen. Net. It's like a half a car. Ek soek hy evidence. So, en hier kom die hoofvasitters van die dag, nee. Nee, kyk vir popcorn machine, nee. En popcorn machine se pa. Hy winch is 4 warm gewinch. Nee. Eerlik. Now what went wrong, my broer? Huh? Ek hoor daar's video evidence waar jy vassit.
Nee, ons het net uitgetrek.
Maar ek sal nou die evidence review. Nee, hierdie Johnny het gesit tot op sy chassis.
Rooi man.
Op sy chassis en die popcorn masjien ook. Nou Johan, wat het verkeerd gegaan? What went wrong?
Die verkeer gewoon.
Is dit traffic?
Is die verkeer geweest.
Het hulle jou opgehou?
Opgehou, dit was vas.
So ja, lekker rou hak bretchen stop in the boeg. Just see, dis am lekker nou. Right, so now we starting to build these Johnnies, nee. Daai is 'n rou mins, raw mins. And it has to be sea turtle, nee. Nothing else. Rou seeskilpad mins, gemeng met 50% rop.
Nee man.
Ja, seeskilpad en 'n rop.
Baie spesiaal.
Baie spesiaal.
Net in Loudrits.
Net in Loudrits. Sea turtle en 'n rop.
En ek het hoeveel bags gehoor oor die raptors.
Nou kyk jy nou, daar kom die magic nou. Raw onion.
Net enetjie maak sonder onion, hoor.
Ja, ek gaan vir elk sonder onion maak. Ja, sy vrou, hoor nou sy vrou.
Dan gaan ons vir ekstra Hankins. Okkie, net so. Baie so, daar's 'n rou vleisbroodjie is.
Kom ons hoor of die Ford bietjie musiek het. Ek dink dit klink soos 'n kat wat se kop in 'n wys toe gedraai word. Ja, Malientjie. Okay, dis nou genoeg. I'm not allowed to say anything about the fort anymore. Malinkie het gepraat, dis nou genoeg. Wanneer het jy so streng geword? Huh? Was dit jou seuns? Oh, jy hou den bek af van den seuns af. Ja, boet. Maar nou, Malinkie, hoor. Ah, net die Afrikaansie. Nee. Duits, speel Duits. Okay. Die Namibiërs wil Afrikaans hoor. Gaan ons maar Afrikaans luister.
Hier's te veel eie op julle.
Hallo, wie maak die liedjies? Wat of jy?
Jy gaan hom afneem.
Apathy. Oh. Nou hier's hy Johnny's nee.
En hy gaan eers hier.
And look what the t-shirt says. The boeg. Maak boeg. But not for Trans-Africa. Check it, Johnny. Check it. So, here goes nothing. Kry jy nou broer? Moer. Massa. Kom jy lak.
Eerlik man. Nee, daai ding groente op.
Ters. Heidi, ters. Luksem. Jy gaan nog een eet. Now we're taking the scenic route back to Ludrats. Just check here. This is the scenic route, the old ox wagon route. What a lekker road. And the patrol, listen, I am in love with this thing. So hierdie, dis sy kos, this is what it was built for. Hoor vir Malinkie.
Ai, hierdie pad. Kyk bietjie die see, moes dit.
Beautiful. So, just listen to the patrol, nee. Idling. This is idle. Malinkie hierdie ding idle. Look at the wheel travel there. So this is, it just looks easy, but there's lots of deep cross axles. So yeah, let's go do them. And so
I followed that one. Yes.
this guy's like, Arrivari!
Yeah.
In the Ludrats. And another one there.
Another one there.
So, where's my link?
She's there, she is.
So it's
Nice to meet you.
it's so lekker to be here, man.
Yeah,
It's
yeah,
so
no,
so
it's good,
lekker.
yeah.
And thank you for the following.
Okay, no, thank you, sir.
There's some more followers.
Good, good. Okay.
Thank you, Papa. And of course, no visit to Ludritz is complete unless you come to the Ludritz sign. So now we're gonna do a lekker group photo at the Ludritz sign. All the choppers are here and ready. Right, so this is where the day ends after a lot of dune driving, a lot of playing. This is where it ends, and this is Ludritz hospitality at its best. Yo. Malinkie. Is het een lekker paaikie toe je? Nog niet. Bocht maakt nog mocht. Nog niet mocht. So yeah, now it's party time. So this is a smoked snoek, nee? There's oysters. There's roll mops. Check hierdie Johnny, nee? This is roll mops, nee? Wat is hierdie ene?
Limpets
Limpets.
of perskoene.
En Rob Totties. Nee.
Hier is 'n lekker rob.
Een Rob vlees biltong, nee. En seep skilpad droewors, nee. Ja, kyk hierdie Ludritz mense dink ook aan alles, nee. Seep skilpad droewors. Ja. Maar hierdie. Daai Johnny. Ja. En oesters. Johnny. Daai roupes, is hy kimonati kaufela. Johnny sê, daai vis is nie volkom lekker vir hom nie. Wil jy nog hê, Johnny?
Ek sal nou niks. Maar graag, dankie.
Wil jy 'n groter stuk hê?
Ja, is ook 'n groot.
En vir jou?
Klein vleis.
Is jy bietjie vol vir dit?
Nou baie meer.
Malingie? Wil jy bietjie hê? Niemand wil rollmops eet nie, but I love it. Let me show you. Malinkie, wat is jy? Sê bietjie vir hulle, wat is dit?
Ek dink dit is gerookte snoek.
Sy dink dis gerookte snoek.
Ek is net die hostess.
Vir my is Jo, check hierso, nee. Check hierso. Nee, dankie meisies, baie dankie. Boys, en hoe proe die ene?
Ja, hy is baie lekker. Hy is mooi.
Is hy beter?
Baie mooi.
Johan, wil jy happy hê? Hoe proe hy, Jackie?
Hey, dit loop lekker man.
Die job loop, papa. En ons maak hierdie oesters nie 'n duik nie. Ja. Nou kykie nee. Marlienkie is on a roll, I'm on water. These locals, they're gonna kill my group tonight. Hierdie locals is lus vir kuier. Marlienkie. Twara baby, twara. Is dit vir Heidi? Kuier julle lekker hier in Ludritz? Woe, die boeg maak moeg. Kyk dat. Die boegt maakt moeg.
Anna het hierdie geskenk, né?
Sê dankie vir Anna.
Dankie Anna, Bosveld het dit merk.
So ja, kom ons eet nog vis en oesters.
Wat ek weet.
Jy sal kyk aan. Jy sal nie trek nie, ek kry maar net.
Ek hoor van graag om
Ek het 2 water ja.
Jy hoor van graag.
Woke up where the desert meets the tide. Cold Atlantic on the wild west side. Colorful streets and a salty breeze. Every little moment puts my soul at ease.
From the rocks to the open bay,
Seagulls dancing in the spray.
time slows down, just you and me.
Living life where we're meant to be.
Feel that rhythm in the ocean there.
Sun on my skin, no worry, no care.
Oh, little rocks,
You set me free.
where the dunes meet the deep blue sea.
Golden line and the waves rolling. This is where my heart began.
Oh, little rocks,
Don't let me go.
in your wind and your afterglow.
Every sunset paints a dream. Nothing's ever as it seems.
Fresh crayfish on a Friday night.
Laughter echoes in the fading light.
Stories told where the shoreline bends.
Strangers turn into lifelong friends. From Dyer's Point to the ghost town sands. History written in shifting land.
Every grain got a tale to tell.
Of shipwrecked dreams and the ocean swell.
Feel that rhythm in the ocean there.
Sun going down, but we're still right here.
Oh, little rocks, you set me free. Where the dunes meet the deep blue sea.
Rolling line and the waves rolling. This is where my heart began.
Oh, little rocks, don't let me go. In your wind and your afterglow.
Every sunset paints a dream. Nothing's ever as it seems. Let the cold waves wash it all away. We'll dance till the break of day.
No map needed, no place to be.
Just you, this coast, and me.